Hey Phaesias, what is up? Today I am doing a 4th of July look since it is 4th of July. Now, this is crazy for me, super crazy for me. I really do actually like how it turned out, and I spent a lot of time the other night practicing. My great friend Zoe printed me out some of these sheets because we don't have a printer at my house. And this is what I came up with. It looks kind of better on the paper than it does my eyes, but I had a lot of fun doing it. Like I said, it's really dramatic and out there, not something I normally do, but I did have a lot of fun doing it. I said that 5 times already, sorry. I have my hair looking like Baby Spice today. This little ponytail won't stay up. Little girl. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. Like I said, this is for fun. It's just a fun look. I'm trying to get a little bit out of my comfort zone these days on using color and like different things, even if it kind of ends up looking like this. So let's go ahead and get jumped into it. I'm going to make this a really quick little video so that you guys can get on with your day-to-day. I just wanted to see you on 4th of July. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you are doing today and what your favorite thing is to do on the 4th of July. And let's go ahead and get started in this video. Okay, so I have already kind of started doing a little bit of something here. I obviously have my eyebrows done, and I put on a little bit of concealer for around my eyes and kind of down my cheeks a little bit to cover my dark circles. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think that this is gonna be a pretty quick tutorial. I hope that it is. I know that you guys already saw in the intro, but here's my little worksheet that I did. If you can even tell, it looks so bright on camera. I had another look in mind that I really wanted to do, but I just didn't have the right products for it. And instead of just doing a tutorial kind of just to have something else up, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait. And even if I upload it when it's like not 4th of July, that's fine because it's not super specific 4th of July, not like this one. But anyway, I was playing around and I knew I wanted to do this one too. So you only use about 3 eyeshadows for this. And I mean, it's pretty simple. So I have these little stickers that came with a planner I bought, and when I was trying to figure out like how to do this look, I was like, where am I gonna get like a star hole punch? And I totally forgot. I have like all of these little stickers, and down here I have all these stars, so I cut some of them out. That's what you see at the bottom of this paper here. I have all my little notes on what colors I used, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes first. I have got to wash my makeup brushes today, you guys, because it is a problem. I'm going to use today my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And like I said, I already have a little concealer on there to make me look a little bit better. So my hair is on my nerves so bad. I really thought this would be a ton cuter than it is, and it isn't, and it's annoying. So double fail. Now that we are nice and primed, I'm gonna do just one eye at a time as far as the shadow because I only cut out 3 stars. I could cut out more, but we're already here. We're not gonna take the time to do it. So we'll do one like here. The thing about using those work papers, it's like a lot of fun, but she has like the ideal perfect eye shape and like perfect eyes. They're even, they're not weird. I'm like, what's that like? And then I think I might do my other one here. That's not how I did it on my paper, but I really want that blue to come out a little further than I would typically do eyeshadow, so that should be okay. Okay, so for the first color, for the blue, I'm going to use my Colourpop Blue Moon palette. I just got this. If you guys haven't seen, are these coming off? If you guys haven't seen my unboxing of this, I'm going to leave it up on the top of the screen right now. You can go check that out. This is like the most gorgeous palette ever of life. Can you tell that this brush has already been playing in blues? Let me zoom you guys in a little. Okay, so I'm gonna use the color, what did I use? Clued In? Yeah, Clued In, which is like this darkest. I'm trying not to blind you guys down here. Really pretty dark, almost like a royal blue is what I would call that. I don't know if that's the right term or not. I hope these stickers are staying down enough that they're not gonna look weird. I'm gonna more or less like pat this on top of these in hopes that it'll look okay. I don't know if this is going to turn out, and I'm just going to bring that out like a lot more than I normally would. I was gonna be like, okay, now the other eye, but I forgot I'm doing one eye at a time. That was a really dumb move. For the red and the white, I'm just using the Morphe 35B. Everybody has told me that this is actually the James Charles palette now, I think. They like didn't rename it, they rebranded it. I'm not sure what happened, but they don't sell this one anymore, I don't think. So okay, I'm gonna take that red. I hope my stars turn out. I'm gonna be so disappointed if they don't. Okay, now a little bit of white. Let's take these stars off and see if they look bad. I hope they don't. I did it! Oh yes, I'm so happy. I was about to be so frustrated. Dreams really do come true. Inner corner, not super loving, but that's okay. I brought it in a little too far, but we're just going for it today. I don't really think black eyeliner is gonna look like bomb with this, but I'm still gonna do it anyways because I don't really have like, I don't know. The other thing is this one star is a little low, so I can't really do a winged liner. Actually, what I'm gonna do is the eyeshadow on my other eye, and then I'll do my mascara and eyeliner off camera because I think I'm just gonna smudge a little bit and then do my foundation, and then believe it or not, that's about it for this. I don't know, kind of cute, right? Okay, so now the question is, should I even do eyeliner or should I just do really big eyelashes? I think I might just do eyelashes. Yeah, I'm gonna just do eyelashes, so I have to put some mascara on before I can do my magnetic lashes. I'm going to do that, run through my face really quickly. I'm not doing anything special or unique there. And I've been fast forwarding that part in my past few videos. If you guys could just let me know if you like that. I'm not going to do it in this video, so this could be like a quick get ready for 4th of July with me and then on with your day kind of video, not like a 5,000 hour long video like I normally do. If you'll just let me know what you like, because I want to do obviously what you guys want to see, and if you want to see me get ready and do the rest of my foundation, I want to do that for you guys. If you're not super into it, I don't want to do that either. So I'm going to do the rest of my foundation, put my lashes on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did a little bit underneath my lash line. Don't really know if that was a great idea. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on down there, which I meant to already do and I already forgot. And then for my highlight, I'm thinking I might use this one from Maybelline. It's the Master Holographic. This little guy here, I've had this for a long time, and this is in 050, I guess, is like the shade. The first time I used it, I wasn't super like in love and really impressed with it, but I'm going to try again today just because I thought it might be nice to have a true white highlight. Highlight, like I said, Maybelline Master Holographic. I'm going to use, I think, this guy here. Just a little tiny baby fan brush. And I'm going to kind of run that into my eyeshadow. It's not bad. I don't know. I just don't, this one's just not my favorite. Yeah, not my favorite highlight. It's okay. My lips, I've just been letting them kind of like, with the Neosporin Overnight Renewal Therapy little treatment. I've showed this to you guys before, and it is an overnight treatment, but I have intensely dry lips all the time. Doesn't matter what I do. So this one little ponytail literally looks like my head is so crooked. So for my liner, I'm going to use the Palladio. This is bright red, and I'm just going to like line and kind of feather it up with my finger. I don't want anything too intense on my lips. Just like a little bit of color. Okay, so that's today's look. Very Baby Spice, very Evel Knievel, America. I'm here for it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope that you have a great 4th of July. Don't take makeup too seriously. It can be fun, and sometimes even if it looks bad and you have fun doing it, that's okay too. So I know that's probably an unpopular opinion, but I really, really, truly do believe that. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you leave. I'm trying to get to 3,000 so I can do a giveaway for you guys. That's my next like big milestone I want to hit, so please help me out with that if you could. I'm gonna go ahead and get going so I can have some hamburger, hot dogs, and pool time. Y'all have a great 4th of July. Be careful too out there doing whatever you're gonna do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.